Hello, hi, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this sound demo video. Now it's to accompany the listing on Etsy that we have for this beautiful Shamanic drum just here. Now this is an 18-inch diameter Shamanic drum. It has a buffalo skin head. As you can see here, if I turn it over, you can see the design of the handle on the back here. It's on an ashwood frame. As I say, it's 18-inch. It's rather beautiful. I've actually burnt in the inside of the frame there, ash and buffalo, so that you'll always have that reference point, so you can go back to resonate and connect with those energies if at any stage in the future it slips your mind, which often happens. I sometimes do get people coming to me and asking, can you tell me what kind of skin this is? I've completely forgotten. I've also put the date of birth in here, which is the, I can just twist it a little bit so I can see, the 6th of September 2022 in Knighton, Paris, UK. That's to enable you to have a look at the astrological side of things, find out what energies were around on the day when the drum was birthed. I've also put my maker's mark in there, Driftwood Hollow Drums. It's laced with artificial sinew around the outside here. That's to enable you, not to enable you to do anything really, it is to help with the effects of moisture. I often use artificial sinew. It doesn't move backwards and forwards like skin lacing does, because it's not affected by the moisture, which helps a little bit in retaining the tension in moist conditions. As you're probably aware, with a Shamanic drum, a natural skin drum like this, you tune it through the regulation of the moisture within the skin. So if it's very dry and it gets too tight, you add moisture in the form of water, and if it's gone too loose because it's very humid or very damp, then you warm the drum to evaporate the moisture away and it becomes tight again. So yes, the artificial sinew helps a little bit with that. This is rabbit fur. It's an upcycled rabbit fur coat, which I use for my trimming on my drums and rattles and things like that. So that's beautiful. It's a nice pale, creamy type colour, which is quite soft, gentle, quite feminine in many ways. It's trimmed with chamois leather on the ends here, which again is quite pale, so it's got that very light energy to it. I'm going to play with a firm beater and a softer beater. The softer beater to start with, I'll change halfway through and you should be able to tell the difference between the two. Find out as well if you have a preference for the kind of beater that you would like if you do decide to buy the drum. Here we go, softer beater. Beautiful. And then if I can fish around in the back here, here is a firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you when you come in to make your decision online. Buying a drum online is extremely difficult. You do need to be able to hear what the drum sounds like, and that's why I make these little videos. So yeah, I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.